How to fix Uber driver app not working. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Uber driver application is not working, first and foremost check that if Uber driver is available for your country. This is because this is still not available for every other region and nations. So make sure it is available for you. After that, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If you are connected to a VPN, make sure to disable it. If the issue still persists, switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or cellular data. You can try by enabling airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. However, if the issue is not solved yet, open up your settings. Scroll down, navigate to apps and click on it. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Uber driver. Start off by force stopping your application. Head over to storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After that, while you are in your phone setting, head back to the main menu option. Scroll until you find the option of System Update and click on it. Make sure that your mobile system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the apps. And this is how you fix your application not working. And we have come to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.